First strike team arriving at the target coordinates. Waiting your orders.
Find Agent Maxis. Recover any intel you can from the base. Ravenoff, my team has reached the village. Where are you?
I am in a secured room nearby. First, I will help you infiltrate. Then, you will spill blood.
Believe me, this comes easy.
Infected
Captain.
threat removed.
I wish we were talking under better circumstances.
I disagree. There is no better time for Russians to speak than when they must persevere. Take the teleporter to the Omega base. That is where you will find your Maxis. That would help.
I suppose I shouldn't be surprised you're here. Makes sense. Maxis working with Requiem. Let's make a deal. I need the power on. Do that, I give you your spy. You scratch my back, I scratch yours. Dr. Peck, how's life treating you under the red sun? We'll do this. Just have Agent Maxis ready for evac.
Infected target removed. Shit on a shingle, bagged and tagged. Mystery meat down.
Ether reactor online at mission control. 1 down, 2 to go. I'd pick up the pace if I were you, for Max's sake. If you've heard her, Peck, I will end you, personally. Ether reactor online. Initiating charge. Initiating charge sequence. Collector station check. Collector station check.
Enemy KIA.
Ether reactor online at military command. All ether reactors online. Facility operating at full power.
Requiem team, the forge machine at my location now has power. You have used before, yes? It will make weapon more angry than I'll cash after third bottle.
I was starting to think you weren't cut out for it. Come see me when you're ready. I'm here, Requiem, in the corner. You've had your fun, Peck. Where is Maxis?
Jackpot. Finally, some weapons tech. Find the parts and slap that gun
Here's
together.
the thing. Do you know why we built our base here?
Secret
Dimensional
weapon. You will need
fragility.
a special key.
The barrier between realities
Typical
is so
person
weak
at
even
all
a child
times.
could open a portal.
Find him.
Find our ether is very useful for disposing of your enemies. That's right. I threw her through the portal. Gonzo, forever. I could reopen it. But, well, with the power back on, I need to finish transmitting my research to Omega. Best of luck with your thing.
Fucking Suka. The Dark Ether is a death sentence. I have seen it break men who survived the Gulag. There are other ways to make back talk. Return to the village.
What's your big plan, Ravenoff?
When Omega first sent men into the Dark Ether, they came back crazy, telling stories could not be true. To extract the truth, we created a special serum. This keycard will get you access to the materials needed to make those. This truth serum will make that bastard Peck tell you anything.
So, find the compounds, make a dose, then we give Peck a taste of his own medicine.
I don't see it fixing his personality problems. But getting a little honesty out of that rat will be a nice change of pace. The locker room. That key you picked up is gonna fit one of them. Tell me this isn't the plan, Weaver. We're not really about to trust Mr. Iron Curtain over here.
It's our best move for now, Carver. Agent Max has trusted him. We should do the same.
Oh, Private Butterfingers over here.
An aerosol delivery system. That should get Peck talking.
Goddamn traitor. He'd backstab the Pope if the devil made an offer.
No surprise there. From what I've read, he was never one to be known for basic human decency.
Get out. Don't let me grab the bug spray.
My truth serum? I suppose you think you're clever. Is it even a proper dose?
Looks like Cool Clay was hiding his ray rifle prototype. Find the rest of it.
Warm tingles, goosebumps, feeling of happiness, euphoria. Which means it's time for hallucinations. Memories. My memories. I see. Is that? I believe it is. The meaning of life. To dance. Steady now, Martha. You must follow my lead. Ouch. Damn it all, Martha. Watch my toes. I only have the 10. You wore the necklace from your 40th. Bought it at Dahlia's, your favorite. All right, Peck. You've had your fun. Now, how do we open the portal? Tell us the truth. The truth.
Things must have gone pretty sour between Cool
The
Clay and
truth
Peck
is
for
that you
times
interrupted
work
a
like
lovely
this.
waltz with my Martha. But, the portal, you'll need the codes to restart the quantum mainframe. Dr. Sokolov and Brahms have them. But to locate Maxis, you'll need her dimensional tracker ID tag.
Sure, I'm good
Sabine
with an
has that.
SMG.
Oh, yeah. They're all dead. Or infected.
One good shot is all it
Head
takes.
to the data center. There may be something that can help you.
Sure, why not?
Ah, the memory transference station. Built to recover memories from dark ether miners transformed by Ethereum. All you need to do is find Sokolov, Brahms, and Zabine in their current forms, trap their essence, collect their memories. Easy peasy. Like Peg said, easy enough. Reactivation codes, tracker ID, open the portal, bring Maxis home.
You forget the part where we figure out which freak we need? Last I checked, they don't wear name tags.
Bye-bye. Double points.
Target in range. Target captured. Collect for processing. 3 minutes to containment failure. Return to processing station immediately. Downloading memories.
I am by far the oldest man on staff. So I can...
That's one of the activation codes. Just need to find the other one.
Scanning for target. Target captured. Collect for processing.
That's the second activation code. Good work. That's what we need to reboot the mainframe.
Scanning. Target in range. Target lost. Trust destroyed. Scanning for target. Target in range. Target captured.
Zombie down!
Collect for processing. 3 minutes to containment failure. Return to processing station immediately. Downloading memories.
Every time I tag a miner, I tell them the transponder will keep them safe. I tell them not twice, but today,
Max ammo.
that spy we captured, she knew what she was not use. No,
Dead man expired, for real!
not a waste. She would have made a fine spitting nuts. Tracker ID 437B. Make it back.
That's Max's tracker ID. Now the portal can target her position in the dark ether.
Downloading contents.
Nice work. Let's get the mainframe rebooted.
I'm not about to count undead chickens before they hatch, but if this works, we should have your agent back in no time.
Be advised, quantum mainframe is online. Dimensional breach in progress in Omega portal chamber.
When this hits, ain't nothing left. Brand new assault rifle. Nice. Got a brand new pistol. Oh, I ain't turning down an extra rifle. Now it's a party.
National breach in progress. Breach protection.
There's always something. Maybe Peg can still prove useful. Heck, we need to stabilize the portal, and I want the truth. The truth? The truth is I told myself it's okay to betray my country, my beliefs. Martha, her truth was cold. Mine was warm. Faith's a lie. That's the thing about the truth. It's unforgiving. It doesn't care. Your feelings don't matter. But your truth, stabilize the portal. You need more power. Find Ethereum crystals. Take them to the ether reactors. Should work. Now, leave me alone. Please.
You need Ethereum? I know some soldiers have been stealing crystals to sell on black market. As they are all dead, I do not think they will mind if you reclaim them for the motherland. Karma is a cruel bitch after all. I do not know where they hid crystals, but an ether meter could find them. There is one in cabinet nearby. I can provide the passcode. The code is 7260.
Raptor 1 is available for evac.
He may bleed Russian red, but once again, Ravenov comes through for us.
Maxis picks her friends carefully. Ravenov may be with us. Let's finish this and bring her back.
Boom! Headshot!
Sentry turret available.
Raptor 1 moving out. We'll circle back.
Bye-bye.
What's happening? Report.
Hold your ground. Keep inside that perimeter. That's gonna make a nice ammo clip for your ray rifle. As soon as you charge it up, that is.
Infected threat removed. Nice of you to share. Brain muncher fragged. Marine down! Can't keep a Marine down. Fucker's got me! You all good? I owe you one. Looks good to me.
For your sake.
Pretty good, G. Bulldozer, meet dustpan.
Let me put this rifle to work.
Warning. Dimensional breach imminent.
That announcement was the last thing we heard before the base fell. Before the beasts poured into our world and struck us down. Get over there, now. Prepare yourself. They are coming to kill you now. You must hold the area. You are our last line of defense. Ura!
Security alert. Dimensional breach at the military.
I never doubted your ferocity. Spetsnaz would be honored to have you among their ranks. Sadly, that will not be the last breach. Prepare yourself.
Lock and load, strike team. It's a beauty. Keep it in one piece. When this mission's over, you bring that back to Requiem.
Way to have my back. One shot. Mystery meat down.
Not bad.
Charging city recommended maximum. Charging city recommended maximum. Attention, power levels exceeding safety parameters.
That should do it. Get to the OPC.
Breach stabilization in progress. Breach progression at 90%.
Almost there.
Power overload. Stabilization failure. Orbital collapse imminent. Primary power offline. Full system shutdown in progress.
Wait, what's happening? See, here's the thing. If you believe my deception, does that make it true? Of course not. It means the truth serum wore off early because the compounds weren't mixed correctly. Heck, you son of a bitch. What have you done? I didn't do anything. You chose to overload the mainframe. You destroyed your only way to bring Maxis back. You also wiped the hard drive so you can't steal my research either. You lost this one. Take it on the chin. Go home. not done here. There's got to be another way. Wait a minute. Is that satellite ready? With the energy beam? From the director's new project?
The one for Operation Threshold? Where's your head at, Weaver? Oh. Clever son of a bitch. You think the beam will generate the power we need to open the portal? We'll need to find a way to divert power to all 3 reactors. That satellite dish should work. Our satellite's up there somewhere. Locate it, you can realign the dish down here to its position. You sure about that one? No joy, your dish alignment's off.
For your sake.
From bad to worse. Zombie down!
Realigning my satellite dish? Just what are you up to out there? Got your attention now, don't I, Peck? Stick around. You'll want to see this.
Satellite dish in position. Requiem control, you've got a green light. Fire when ready.
Connection established, systems nominal. Locking target. Initiating firing sequence. Firing in 3, 2, 1.
What the hell is that? Are you firing a goddamn space laser at my satellite dish?
Facility power now at 50%. Facility operating at full power.
Do you really think this will work? At best, you'll burn out the reactors. At worst, you'll make them explode.
Attention, power levels exceeding safety parameters.
That's it, strike team. Get back to the OPC.
Placing sentry turret.
Sam, what happened to you?
I recognize that voice. Weaver. You are Requiem. Run.
Are you fucking kidding me? How do we kill this ungodly creature? Kill that thing and get out of there. Omega forces are inbound to your position. He's down with his most vulnerable.
Standing by.
Try not to get smashed.
Infected threat removed.
Force the back. Look out!
That one's strapped. Don't let it get a beat on you.
I'm hit. Better now.
Not coming with us?
There is an operation underway in the Ural Mountains. I have to stay in the field.
This is the only way.
I told you once, Omega is not who we are. I do this for the good of the motherland. For the good of us all.
Try not to break anything else.
Remember, there's nothing so broken that it cannot be fixed.
Sam, are you okay?
I'm ready to come in, Leader. We have a lot to talk about.
Finally! Could you have taken any longer to get here?
You were smart to transmit your research. You demonstrated loyalty, to an extent.
To an extent? What more do you want? Just wait until we get back to Moscow. We'll see what the Colonel thinks about this.
Really? Do you really want to know what I think? I think I want to see a demonstration of your commitment to Omega. Tell me, Doctor, which is your better eye?